If you're thinking about staying at Sandos Finisterra in Cabo San Lucas, don't book it until you've seen this video. This resort is the oldest and, in my opinion, the most unique in Cabo. It's built right into the side of a cliff, and you have to walk over a bridge to get to the other half of the resort. It's just steps away from the marina, restaurants, and all the nightlife, but it's not going to be the right fit for everyone. So we will talk about exactly who this resort would be perfect for and who should probably look elsewhere. So let's get you in the know before you go and go see all the things.
Have a cranberry, citrus, and 7-Up.
Perfecto. Gracias. The first thing you'll notice walking into Sandos is that it doesn't feel like one of Cabo's giant all-inclusive resorts. It has a lot of personality and character. This resort has been welcoming guests for decades, and famous ones at that, and you can definitely feel the history here. The overall vibe is lively, scenic, and incredibly convenient, and it's only 45 minutes from the Los Cabos International Airport. Let's get things going with a room tour of a standard junior suite on the original side of the resort. These rooms are generally located on the lower floors, and one thing that really surprised me was the size. The rooms here are ginormous. You definitely have plenty of room to spread out after a day exploring Cabo. While these rooms may not have the ultra-modern feel of some newer resorts, they're clean, spacious, and fit the overall character of Sandos Finisterra really well. Depending on the room category you book, you'll find different views throughout the resort. Some overlook the marina, some face the open ocean, and others are tucked dramatically into the cliffs. But as you'll see, even these lower-level junior suite rooms still have a pretty good view. I can see the ocean there. That's an ocean view in my opinion. From above, you really get a sense of how unique this location is. The beach is nestled between two massive cliffs, making it feel surprisingly secluded, even though you're only minutes away from downtown Cabo. Now here's something that's really important to know before you book. While the beach is absolutely beautiful, this is not a swimmable beach. The Pacific side of Cabo has extremely strong currents and dangerous shore breaks, so swimming here is prohibited. If your dream vacation includes spending hours floating in the ocean, this probably isn't the resort for you. But if you simply love relaxing on the beach, listening to crashing waves, and taking in incredible scenery, it's absolutely stunning. Walking across the bridge gives you another perspective of just how dramatic this resort is built into the cliffs. It's honestly one of the coolest walks on the property. Everywhere you look, there's another great photo opportunity, and the views just keep getting better the higher you go. With that being said, however, the higher you go, the more stairs, the more climb, the more exhausting it gets. Even though there are some elevators, if you have significant mobility issues, I would not recommend this resort. There's just a lot of hills, a lot of stairs, and it would be pretty difficult getting around only using the elevator. However, look around. You're constantly being rewarded with incredible views as you move around the resort. Yes, you'll be doing a fair amount of walking and climbing, but the trade-off is that almost everywhere you turn, you're looking over the Pacific Ocean, the marina, and in my opinion, that's part of the charm. If you appreciate unique scenery and don't mind a little extra walking, this resort does offer some of the best views you're going to find anywhere in Cabo. Now, let's go check out what I think is one of the coolest room categories on the property, the Cliffside Ocean View Finisterra Suites. Right away, you can feel the difference in this newer section of the resort. These suites are more modern, more updated, and still absolutely enormous. The bathrooms are updated too, large vanities, great lighting, and plenty of space for everyone to get ready. This is one of the most unique accommodations you'll find anywhere in Cabo. You're not just oceanfront, you're elevated above it with that dramatic cliffside perspective that Sandos Finisterra is known for. One of the things I love about this category is that these rooms can connect. So you could have a king bed suite connected to a 2-queen suite, perfect for larger families, multi-generational trips, or groups who just want to stay close together but still have their own space. And then these views. These suites are literally built into the cliff overlooking the Pacific Ocean. The terrace is a standout feature. It's spacious, private, and gives you that panoramic ocean view that just doesn't feel real. You can watch whales from here in season, generally December through April. Overall, the Cliffside Ocean View suites give you that perfect mix of space, modern comfort, and those jaw-dropping views. It's one of the most memorable room categories here for sure. All right, y'all, if you're vibing with this room tour so far, smash that like button. It tells me you want more resort tours. And drop a comment and tell me which one of these suites would be your pick. Are you loving this updated Cliffside view? Or would you go for the less updated, more convenient junior suite option? I want to know what you think. And if you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button because I got way more resort videos coming and for sure more adventures you don't want to miss. Now let's continue on. We have lots of more hill to climb and lots of more things to see. Okay, I had to bring you up here because this rooftop bar, it might be my favorite spot on the entire property. Like, look at this. This is so unreal. You get full panoramic views overlooking Cabo. The marina on one side, the Pacific on the other. It's like you're floating above the whole city. And honestly, I could totally picture this being the perfect spot for a wedding reception or any kind of special event. Imagine celebrating up here with this view behind you. Those wedding pictures would be insane. If you're someone who just loves incredible scenery, well, this might be your place too. I love just sitting here with a drink and watching the view for hours. Now, if the rooftop bar is too hot for you and you prefer to drink in the AC, then you should head down to the Whale Watchers Bar. And the name truly isn't just for show. If you're visiting between mid-December and mid-April, you actually have the chance to watch humpback whales right here while enjoying your drink. It's one of those experiences that feels almost unreal. And even outside of whale season, this is such a great place to unwind. It has a relaxed, comfortable atmosphere, perfect for grabbing a cocktail, watching the game on the TV, or maybe even playing some pool. Definitely a really good chill spot. Whale Watchers Bar is definitely one of those hidden gems that makes this resort feel special. All right, now I'm going to make my way down to the spa and gym area, and this part of the resort has a completely different energy. The spa here offers such a peaceful escape from the buzz of Cabo. It's quiet, calming, and the perfect place to unwind after a day of exploring or activities. If you're someone who loves a good massage or treatment while on vacation, this is definitely where you'll want to spend some time. The atmosphere is very soothing. Just remember, none of the spa treatments are included in the price of the all-inclusive. Those are extra at every resort. And right next to it, up the stairs, you'll find the gym. It is on the smaller side, so if you're expecting a huge fitness center, this one might feel a bit limited. But honestly, what it lacks in size, it totally makes up for in views. You get these beautiful ocean and cliffside sightlines while you're working out. I mean, come on. If I was going to work out, that's what I would do. It's a pretty amazing backdrop for a morning workout if that's your thing. As we make our way through the last of the property here, I will point out that there is this smoking section right there. I'm not sure if you just have to stand there or not, or if there's a place up those stairs, because there's an arrow for you to stand. But the ashtray's right there, so I'm going with that's where you go. Other than the view up here, there is one more hidden gem that I do have to show you. It's called the Cupcake Café. It's easy to walk past, but once you stop in, you'll understand why it's one of the favorite spots of many. The coffee is excellent, smooth, rich, and exactly what you want before heading into town or starting your day. And the desserts, well, they were excellent. So after touring the entire property, who is Sandos Finisterra really for? I think it's a fantastic choice for travelers who want to be right in the heart of Cabo San Lucas. If your ideal vacation includes boat tours, fishing, whale watching, exploring the marina, or enjoying Cabo's restaurants and nightlife, this location is incredibly hard to beat. It's also great for people who prefer a smaller resort with lots of character, history, and charm instead of a massive mega resort. And who is it not for? Well, I wouldn't recommend this for travelers looking for a huge resort packed with endless entertainment and activities. This is the kind of place you can fully experience in about 3 days. It's best for people who plan to get out and explore Cabo. And if you're a family with younger kids who want water parks, splash zones, kids clubs, well, you'd probably be happier at a more family-focused resort. Overall, this is one of the most unique resorts in Cabo. If this video helped you, I'd really appreciate it if you'd hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews and travel tips. And if you're trying to decide whether Sandos is right for you or another Cabo resort, I'd love to help. Reach out to Dreamweaver Travel and I'll match you with a resort that fits your travel style. Until the next time.